bastard.
Don't feel bad. You had no chance.
I wish there was still like the Fallout aspect with this game though. So where you can just run into any place and start killing people. Pudgy, it's not what you think. I think he just wants the box. I don't think he wants the chocolate. I don't know if I can actually see that. That's kind of gross looking. But yeah. Now I'm stopped because I said something. I think that's at the top of the one.
Pudgy, don't do it.
He probably knows it tastes bad. Yes, he's a cat, but he knows what tastes good and what doesn't. Like, Mom, that is gross tasting. Why the f did you feed it to me?
He was the one that wanted to taste.
He's the odd cookie.
I'm just waiting for him to knock it off because I know it's gonna happen.
Pudgy, no one wants the chocolate. Just knock it off.
Go ahead, Pudgy.
You know you want to.
I know you like knocking shit over. So you stare at my cigarettes and lighter.
Hi.
You're selling?
Selling? Selling what?
Seriously? The Jason Brody and you're not kidding or nothing? It's cool. I'm gonna school you.
Yeah, you do that.
We're a legit enterprise, yo. These islands used to be crawling with Japanese soldiers. You find a jet body, you snag the dog tags, and we buy them.
What do you get out of it?
We used